Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to charge the battery for a Ring device. Let's get started. First, open the Ring app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap on your Ring device and tap the gear icon to open device settings. Next, tap device health. Here you will see the battery level. If the battery is low, time to charge it. Now let's remove the battery. Go to your Ring device. Depending on the model, you may need to slide the battery out from the bottom or back. Some devices require you to remove a small cover first. Once the battery is out, take a USB charging cable, plug one end into the battery and another end into a power source like a wall, charger, computer or power bank. While charging, you will see a red light, which means the battery is charging. When the light turns green, the battery is fully charged. This usually takes a few hours. After the battery is fully charged, unplug it and place it back into your Ring device. Make sure it clicks into place securely. Finally, go back to the Ring app on your iPhone and check device health. Again, you should see that the battery is now charged. And that's it. You have successfully charged your Ring battery using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.